Hello, good evening, one and all present here, and especially good evening to Mr. Ashish. How are
Thank you.
you?
Thank you. I'm here. My voice
Hey,
is
Ashish,
audible.
we'll be very happy if you can join us as a speaker. I have invited you.
Just a second. I'm just checking it out. Yeah. Got it. Is my voice audible? Hello. Is it audible now? Okay, thanks. Okay, and okay. Shall I start? Okay. Thank you. Hmm. 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 Thank you, Shahid, for inviting me for this session on Lahar app and on my topic, as you said, is on innovation and motivational. So let's start it. First, I introduce myself. I'm Ashish Parwal. I'm a founder and CEO, as he said, Extreme Rise Technologies. And Extreme Rise Technologies is working since 7 years in city of Ludhiana, Punjab, India. Ludhiana is the city also known as the Manchester of India, uh, and I'm very proud that I am the resident of Ludhiana. And before I beginning, I will just want to ensure you that the topics I will be covering regarding COVID also, their prevention also, because I am in touch with the medical field also. So most of our family members are in medical fields, and most of my time is in medical field also. So let's start it. The thing is that my inspiration for being as an starting the business of extreme risk technologies is that to empower the system and to educate the people and to give them the things like how you can, if you are a single person or you are working in as an whole in a bunch of group of friends of people and something other private jobs and all, you can start your business also. It's a necessity, I guess. And my motivation for this is that to become, to make something for India also. So I struggled 4 years, 5 years. I made websites. I learned about websites and all, and most of importantly, my one of my friend. I would like to take his name, Prabjot Singh. He's a good friend of mine, and he helped me out. He's good in web designing and all, and I got inspired him. I saw his skills, and I got the opportunity that I should start also this thing, and I started that. He gave me a website named as sargamofheaven.org, which is uh, being started in 2010. It's a Christian website basically. So I'm not making any deep in that on. I'm not focusing on it. I'm just overviewing it. He made me to learn the websites and all, and I said to him that I would like to be the part. So okay, and then I started my company named as Extreme Rules Technologies, and we made this to not for not more into the business, but more into the help out something our own system. So I started that, and now I proudly say that with this help and motivation, I reached, and right now we are having our own applications also on the uh, and Google Play Store also. So last time we put Mulakat app on the go as pandemic is very severe right now, and last year online classes and online platforms are so much active. Even gaming streamers are also. Is this is the innovation what we called from the last year. We innovated. We made it for. We made this for India also, and we tried that it should be free of cost to all of us, so that everybody should do the video conferencing free of cost. I saw most of the people doing the video conferencing application, but something not in a good manner. In good manner, not in good manner. I mean that lots of ads in it, lots of things in it, lots of unprofessionalism in that. So, by grace of God, I got the opportunity and I started that. So this is called innovation. I innovated on this thing that in this January, I guess, yeah, January 2021, Hike Messenger also stopped. So India is, as for my knowledge, nothing is there. So we are also planning on it to start the Indian messaging app. Okay, so this is something small thing, and now we are working on our own school management software and hospital management software. So this is called innovation from my side, and for you all is the motivation is anything can be done, anything can be done if our willpower is strong enough. If our will is strong, then anything we can achieve in our life. So be with us and be with that thing, with yourself also, with your be with your family also, and don't hesitate to being hesitate for uh, expressing yourself or the things you are in that thing that you are not comfortable in. Do whatever you want to do that is in good way, good manner, that will make you understand and that make you live uh, longer and longer. So this is from my side, and about innovation, more things that uh, hospital manual software I told you this thing. Now I would like to share something because I guess most of the watchers might not knowing about the COVID-19. So I would include this also that what are the things happening in India right now, because if we don't spread this thing, I guess if we are 10%, 20% or 50% are joining or 1,000% are joining, if we share these pandemic situations and the things to you know, precautionary measures for the COVID-19, the lesser number are the greater number from my side. Because if we teach one and one person, it can grow day by day also. So it can, what my feeling right now is on this platform is, if I say this precautionary measure once again, so we can beat the COVID-19. So here we are. The sum of the precaution, what I used to saw, because of this, till now I'm safe. I didn't got any kind of you know, symptoms for that also since last year. So what I used to do is, my willpower is there. I used to eat and drink coffee, and I'm not getting myself empty. I'm eating food after 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours also, and also the thing that the precautions are there. Get it small vial of that sanitizer with you whenever you go it. What I'm using is that spray thing, spraying. There's a sanitizers, lots of sanitizers companies. I know one most funniest sanitizer company labeled. I saw it. I want to share with you that don't make it in on gimmicks. Whenever you take the sanitizer, just saw what they have seen is, w- one company claimed that this is the sanitizer, and in small letters they mentioned it that it can also kill 99% of the virus of coronavirus, and even of HIV AIDS also. This is the funniest part. What is this? You are playing a gimmick thing on the name of the HIV virus also. A sanitizer, there is no any sanitizer who is being, is cleaning killing the virus of HIV. HIV is the blood disease. It's a STD disease, and you are making the sanitizer is, so. Don't be in a gimmick. Don't be make yourself fool by whenever you take the sanitizers. These sanitizers are best is our 3M companies, and some sanitizers are good enough that most are that Dettol are making it, and other big companies are making it. Make sure that it should have 70% of alcohol also. 70% of alcohol is the mixture that makes the that alcohol 70% alcohol we also says as spirit, so it makes germs clean, and with the mixture it can kill the viruses also. And another thing is that if you can arrange, yes, sure. Uh, yeah, good question. Yeah, I would like to focus on this also. Safe in hospital is good, but it should be a good hospital. I have seen many of them hospitals are making money also. I'm seriously saying this. I'm saying this on this platform also, because this is not the this is the platform we should. I've seen you. I'm making you clear it out about the hospital. um, Delhi hospital, the patients are being hiding. So, and the hospital authorities are not making. I'm not remembering the name of the hospital, but the question they asked is safe. Yeah, it's safe, but you should make some precautions also. You should make distance also. You should make that masking also. There is a lot of videos are going on that mask is burning out. That's a video status. And that is totally fake. No mask is, and everybody is saying that in that video they are claiming that mask has some I mean viruses also. There's no when a company makes the mask, it's totally in a trial way. And what we use in home also, that in market they are available in 20 rupees, 30 rupees or 50 rupees also. We can use it that, but we have to wash it thoroughly with some any detergent and all, thoroughly, and put it in on sunlight. Nowadays half good sunlight is there, so it can kill the virus also. So be with that also. Regarding hospitalization, I would like to say that it's safe, and but it's a little bit costlier also in some hospitals, because there's a injection going on, remdesivir. So remdesivir is not the actual vaccination. There are studies are going on right now, and but it's not affect. Sometimes it affecting, sometimes it's not affecting. And there's a I saw a person in whom is I'm these are innovation I'm telling you, and motivational. I'm not making you making a fear that you should not go to hospital, but I'm making sure you that you should be a safe, be with your family also, because lots of fake news on the internet is going on. Lots of fake news, lots of fake news. So whatever it is, the people saying that people are being killed in the hospital. No hospital is killing the patients. I mean, uh, it doesn't make you kill. The killing of the it's where is this thing na human? Where is the humanity in that? So I'm was because I know, because I got the yes, बोलिए. Hmm. 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 Sure. Yep. I'm working. देखो is everybody comfortable with Hindi or English? Just I need your answer. So I'll be in that only. चलो हिंदी में कर देते हैं. Just a sec. क्वेश्चन जो आपने पूछा ना शायद भाई, आपने बिल्कुल जेन्युइन पूछा है. डर तो है लोगों के बीच में कि कैसे कैसे हो रहा है ये सब कुछ, और वेंटिलेटर पे जा रहे हो है. अभी रिसेंटली क्या हुआ है कि हमारे पास में एक स्कूल है, वहाँ पे मैडम कोरोना पॉजिटिव हुए थे, and he got admitted, and somebody is in on ventilator also. So मुझे ये है कि हाँ कोरोना है. लोग कहते हैं कोरोना नहीं है. इफ आई से अबाउट द दिल्ली साइड इज वेरी क्राउडी एरिया, एंड कोरोना इज बीइंग increasing day by day. But people, somebody is saying, why is it not Sindhu border? Why is it not on farmers? Why it is not for politicians and all? What I feel is the actual number of corona data, statistic data, has not been released yet by the government. I what I see is, but I can be wrong because I have not seen that. But from my point of view, not been released. And why people are dying on the ventilator is that ventil. I have seen the patients on ventilator. I've seen the patients on ventilator who are being recovered. Most of the people can be recovered. And why patient? Uh, let's. I'm making it clear what the ventilator game is. If a patient detected COVID positive and the patient is in ventilator stage and he got cardiac arrest, you know, if people are getting heart attack, heart attack is fine. Heart attack came, so we can't recover the patient at that time. If we do that, if we do the CPR to revive the patient, the main thing in that thing is the whole secretions or fluids of the patient who is positive is thrown out of it to other places also and to the other persons also. So right now what the WHO said that no CPR can be possible in that patient. This is the reason we are not इन जिसे कहते हैं ना, हम मजबूर हो गए हैं, हम मजबूरी में पेशेंट को बचा भी नहीं पाते हैं जब वो फ्लूड ही आपके बाहर। आरटीपीसीआर आरटी या कंप्लीटेड प्लीज। There are two tests in it. One is RT-PCR and second is TrueNet. TrueNet is going on. TrueNet is from my side is safe and it's reliable. But RT-PCR is something jumping off, like waves and all. कभी सही दिखाएगा तो कभी गलत दिखाएगा, मुझे उसमें थोड़ा है। आपको सिविल हॉस्पिटल्स की रियलिटी बता देता हूँ क्योंकि आई एम इन, शायद भाई आपको मैंने बताया हुआ आई एम टच विद दैट सीएम ऑफिस ना। सो मैंने उनसे बात की, तो मैंने उनको बताया, कहते हैं हमें पता है ये बात। और वो बात क्या थी कि सम सिविल हॉस्पिटल में क्या हुआ, जब ये कोरोना का टाइम था पिछले सालों में, पिछले साल, अब तो शायद बंद कर दिया ये सिस्टम, खत्म हो गया। पहले क्या किया, पेशेंट आया, पॉजिटिव रिपोर्ट दी, रिपोर्ट गई गवर्नमेंट में, पैसे आए, रिपोर्ट नेगेटिव की, पेशेंट घर। ये चीज हुई है, ये चीज हो रही है इंडिया में, पैसे लेने के। द रीजन बिहाइंड इज दैट कि द पर्सन नीड्स द मनी, पैसे मिलेंगे ना भाई। पॉजिटिव हो गया, पेशेंट को किया, उसको तो पैसे मिल जाएंगे ना, वो पैसों की गेम खेल रहा है। या तुम, मैं वही देख कह रहा हूँ, लोग पैसों की गेम खेल रहे हैं यहाँ पे। मैं ये कहता हूँ कि पैसों की गेम क्यों खेल रहे हो भाई, ह्यूमैनिटी के बीच में बी जेन्युइन। ये इतनी आपदा आई हुई है पूरे संसार में, that we are praying also for that. I'm a Christian guy and we are also praying for that, oh God, please help us to eradicate this. नहीं, कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा, आई विल बी क्लियरिंग यू इन अ बिट। अभी स्कैम्स चल रहे हैं स्कैम्स, वो मैं मानता हूँ, वो मैं मानता हूँ। Nah. Hmm. Hmm. This is the thing. This is going on that person are getting infected and they are making. This is what I want to tell you in a hospital of Delhi. I don't naming. I'm forgetting about that. मैंने उसकी न्यूज़ सुनी थी तो उसमें यही है कि पेशेंट को मिलने भी नहीं दिया जा रहा रिलेटिव से तो सुबह वीडियो कॉल होती है शाम को कहते हैं पेशेंट डेथ हो गई है बाद में बॉडी भी नहीं दे रहे क्योंकि organ scams are going on there might be and the when media persons came then they are vanishing out it कि नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं ये नहीं ना topic is going very very vast so my today's topic was innovation and motivation, but I'm mixing with COVID-19 because I feel this platform is good to share all these things and all. That's why I'm again reminding you about this. तो हाँ ये चीजें हैं बट मैं यही कहूँगा कि मेंटेन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मास्किंग इज देयर खाना पीना अपना अच्छा रखो take a good food and vegetables and fruits that can be help also take if you feel fever take paracetamol once a week a day I have a question please ask Nishant Pulavia 464 please ask a question hello yes yeah yeah uh-huh. Okay blood clot is in brain okay hmm 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 so what I suggest I'm glad that you asked this and seek a help from my side also. I'm very thankful and I'm glad to this platform. See, Nishan, what I say is take the precautionary measures because her age is your grandmother is there, na? So I'm guessing her age is around 80 or 85 or okay, 76, around 80. Okay, so what you feel is that you should go for the treatment of brain because we can't neglect the neurological problems. If if it this is the case of neurosurgery actually, neurology and neurosurgery both. So if you feel that you are shifting to and afraiding from that, na, please don't hesitate. Go for it, but take the precautionary measures, masking and all, so that your grandmother will be fine. Okay, and I don't want that her life in a risk because blood clot in mind is something that makes a man unmute, unconscious, not able to walk properly also. There might be paralysis sometimes patient get because seen this kind of patients. I'm motivate you for go ahead for a good hospital and get a neurology treatment there इफ दे से कि जो ब्लड क्लॉट है दिमाग में वो सर्जरी से निकालना चाहते हैं, तो या मेडिसिन से निकालना चाहते हैं, दोनों अवेलेबल हैं। जो बेस्ट तरीका होता है सबसे पहले मेडिसिन का होता है। अगर मेडिकली वो ट्रीट होने वाला होगा तो वो करेंगे, गो फॉर इट। देरी मत करो इस चीज में, बताऊं क्यों? पेंडेमिक कब खत्म होगा, कब ये वायरस जाएगा, वी डोंट नो। And one more thing, there is a tablet or capsule is being made, is in process. They are also coming up. Medicines, tablets for coronavirus is also coming in few months. In I guess in 6 months, the tablets and the capsules will be available. This is my sources, news and all, because I'm on internet. So I'm suggesting you, I motivate you to go for it for her good health. Okay, so take it precautionary measures with it and good ambulance if you want. If you take it by your own car, that will be good thing for. Anything else, Nisha? Hmm. Okay, this is a yes. Tell me. It's okay, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Go for it. It's a grandmother. Okay. Okay. Uh, Another motivational thing is I would like to say that I get sometimes demotivated because some hate comments sometimes I got, sometimes I've got hate answers I got it. So my parents also says that एक कान से सुनो दूसरे कान से निकाल दो, किसी की बातें को मत सुनो, जो आपको गलत बोलते हैं नेगेटिव फीडबैक पीपल गिव, डोंट make it to come over you. Just ignore it. If you feel that place that makes you do what you feel, makes you feel good, the things you make feel yourself happy, do that so that your life becomes more easier. So मैंने पहले बोला ना, आई एम अ क्रिश्चियन, so sometimes I got demotivated. So what I do is I do some Christian work. I do some biblical works, and if another thing is that I do my mind diversions also. So what are mind diversions is that I make websites, I make something innovative things like that. So innovation, another thing is that I would like to share. Uh, I'm a Punjabi, so I got a Punjabi name, Sadda. Sadda means my. So what my status is? My status is not this thing. I'm showing the status is that I'm a very rich person, I'm a poor person. This is nothing. My status is what? My status is how I'm living, how I motivate you. So I create a platform, Sada Status, in a Punjabi ancient, sadastatus.com. Uh, so what in I got demotivated for that. Nobody is finding a good name. Oh, what is Punjabi name? Sada Status. Change it or stuff. Then I realized last week that the name I got it, na, something unique, and I should not ran for it. So I got motivated by that also. So I'm working on it, and I'm also motivated by other thing also, by when you got depression is a thing that in this pandemic situation everybody got in depression. So best treatment for uh, to overcome depression is to go outside, and I'm not saying on the places, crowded places, feel good, have a walk on your area nearby, make sure the corona area, that area should not be too crowded, and have a, or you can chill out chill out at your terrace also, and feel gym exercises can be done at your terrace, and you can also lots of things can be do paintings and play games with your family or sure. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. You can ask any question, Shahid. Deeply. Yeah. Nee, I have to cover. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'll finish this. Okay, and the time is, sure, sure. Concluded. So my conclusion for that is be happy, stay safe, and whatever your motivational is, be with that also. And whatever the conversation we had today, I'm very happy to have this conversation. I'm not making it let I'm glad moment right now with all of you people to share the things what I innovated in the pandemic season and this motivational stories. Hope you enjoy the motivational stories that and some we are making it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shahid. Hmm. Thank you. Yeah,